Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change graphics setting in Honkai Star Rail account. First of all, open up the Honkai Star Rail game on your device and wait for it to load to the main menu. And then once you're inside the home page, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the phone menu. Now, once you open up the phone menu, click on the gear button on the right hand corner. This will then open up the graphic settings at the top. Go ahead and tap the drop down right next to graphic quality, and then from the options displayed on the screen, you can go ahead and choose between low, very low, medium, high, very high, and custom. You can choose low or very low for smoother gameplay on older phones. For balanced performance and visual, you can select medium, whereas for high-end devices, you can choose high or very high. After making your selection, click on confirm, and you can also tweak the resolution, shadow quality, reflection quality, and other quality from the menu. Once you are done, you can then go ahead and enjoy the game with the selected graphic quality. That's how you easily change the graphic setting in Honkai Star Rail. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite setting in the comment. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.